So we are going to discuss is November 21. Okay, paper two. We will do is the database part. Okay. Tawara Eco Cars start manufacturing cars in 2018. You will create a database to store details of cars and customers. You must use the most efficient method to solve each task. All documents produced must be of professional standard. Tawara Eco Cars have provided the following information. Each car has a unique car identification number. The company has vehicles with the following drive types. ठीक हो गया? The company makes 8 different colors. The only extra that the car offers are cruise control, leather seats, and sunroof. Okay, fine. Examine the files in this and use this data and the information provided by Tawara EcoCars to create a relational database normalized to third normal form. Use appropriate data types, field names, and validation rules in your database. Acha. So basically what we have is, you can see over here is what do we have. Let's study this thoroughly. Then we will import. Okay, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are two tables. हमने इसको normalize करना है. अब normalization बड़ा अच्छा point है इसमें, बहुत अच्छा है. We did discuss in normalization was that one of the most important thing is that do we have any partial dependency? Partial dependency का मतलब है कि do I have any field which is not related to the primary key, okay? To the other field. So इसमें partial dependency नहीं है. I have customer information, उसमें उसका title, first name, address, zip code, telephone, email. So there is no partial dependency over here. If I look at the other table, इसमें भी I see is registration number, model name, color, drive type. I still don't have any partial dependency even in this table. So if I this is actually I've gone to the second normal form. मगर if I come to the first normal form, 0 to first, उसमें हमने डिस्कस किया था कि there should be no repeating groups. Okay, repeating groups का मतलब क्या? प्लीज को गौर से देखो. If I somehow filter this, मैं इसको देखना चाह रहा हूं कि इसको अगर मैं करता हूं A to Z, registration number is unique. If I look at the model name, if I look at the model name, आप देखोगे कि model name repeat हो रहा है. ये repeating group है. We call this a repeating group. You get my point? This is one repeating group. This is another repeating group. This is another repeating group. You get my point? These
Yes,
are
sir.
groups. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
I have a repeating group here. ठीक है? Let's look at the color. Yes, I have a repeating group, but color को बाद में discuss करता हूँ. Then I have is drive type code. Do I have any repeating group? Yes, I do have a repeating group. Do I have any repeating group? Yes, I have a repeating group. So and extras actually they are empty, so it's not much important. Price, year, sold to. This is actually a foreign की मतलब ये use होगा. You can see this. This is related to दूसरे टेबल के. अगर आप नोट करोगे कस्टमर आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर ये प्राइमरी की है और आप नोट कर रहे हो कि दिस इज अ फॉरेन की. तो खैर ये तीनों तो आर नॉट अंडर डिस्कशन. सो हाउ डू वी एलिमिनेट आवर रिपीटिंग ग्रुप्स? तो आप क्वेश्चन को इफ यू रीड अगेन, दे हैव मेंशन्ड ओवर हियर आल्दो कि देखो मैं दोबारा इसको देखता हूँ. सो मॉडल नेम है मेरे पास and drive type. आप गौर करोगे कि when I have the model name, Alpha Drive, it's D. So when I have Dura Drive, it's D. When I have okay, Dura Drive, it's D, right? Right? और इसी तरह when I have fine. तो ये match.
Yes, sir. I got the point.
ये देखो, and if you look here, Alpha Drive है तो it's coupe. अब देखो Alpha Drive और coupe बॉडी स्टाइल क्या है? Alpha Drive का coupe है. And if I look over here, is Dura Drive का है Estate whatever, and then Comfort Drive का hatchback है, and Beta Drive का basically क्या है हमारे पास? वो भी hatchback है, ठीक है, and इसका saloon है. So कहने का मकसद ये है कि अगर if I make another table जिसमें लिखा I model name, for example, ये देखो मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ, मैं ये करता हूँ I'll make is model name. Okay, so I want the model names here. मैं इनको डिस्प्ले कराता हूँ. How do I do that? Well, ये मेथड देख लो. मैं डेटा पे आया, मैं एडवांस पे आया. I want to get unique entries from here. So I select this entire column. Right? And what I will do is copy to and unique. और किधर display कराने हैं? Let's say over here. So did you get this point? Right? मैं advance है किया है. If I press OK, okay, I get these. ये extra आ गया. So ये देखो ये uniquely आ गए हैं इधर. You get my point? These are
सर ये
the.
समझ नहीं आया ये कैसे आपने किया है?
मैं बेटा इसलिए मैंने वीडियो शेयर करा था. मैं मुझे दोबारा करना पड़ेगा. ठहरो. आप वीडियो पे देख सकते हो दोबारा. ये देखो ना. I'm doing it again. Advance. Yes or no?
यस सर.
मैंने column I've stuck this column. Yes or no?
यस सर.
Copy to another location. I want to copy it here. Yes or
यस सर.
yes.
डन.
And unique records only. सिर्फ unique show करें. और किधर? यहाँ. Is it fine?
ओके सर. ठीक है.
ओके किया. ये आ गए. ठीक है. इसको मैं कर देता हूँ. This is my model name. मॉडल नेम के साथ
ओके.
मॉडल नेम के साथ आई वांट इज द बॉडी स्टाइल. ठीक है. अब बॉडी स्टाइल ये मुझे मैनुअली करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज में ऐसा नहीं है. तो मुझे एक सेकंड दो. अल्फा का कौन सा बॉडी स्टाइल है? अब ये दिस ऑब्वियसली मैनुअली अब करना पड़ेगा. ये कूपे है. और ड्यूरा ड्राइव का क्या है? स्टेट है. इट विल जस्ट टेक अस व्हाइल बस. कंफर्ट ड्राइव का क्या है? हैचबैक. राइट. And then is beta drive is also hatchback, right? And then G new, I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, and then we have saloon, and then we have is eco drive. Eco drive is basically again a saloon car. And lastly, we have is Finis. And as far as I know, is Finis basically is sports. So here we go. We have is this. मैं काम करता हूँ. मैं इसको करता हूँ copy. I will place it in a new table. In a new table और मैं इसको यहाँ paste कर देता हूँ. ठीक हो गया? Yes or no? अब आप गौर करो.
यस सर.
मैंने क्यों किया है? देखो, I can use this as a primary key. Yes or no? ये एक बार repeat हो रहा है. And do you realize this that this is a foreign key? Is it not? Model
यस सर. इट
one
इज.
here is a foreign key. So have we not normalized our model name in some other table by creating another table and normalize it? Yes or no?
यस सर.
अच्छा. मैं इसको I want to save it in the same location. इसका मैं path copy करता हूँ and I'll just do is file, save as, browse, and I will save it in the same location and I can name it as model name and I will save it as a CSV file and I can close this. ठीक हो गया? So अब एक तो मॉडल ने एक तो बन गया. Are we अब what about drive type? ये भी तो होना चाहिए. Do you agree with me? Drive type भी तो repeat हो रहा था. When we did all this, हमने discover नहीं किया था. Yes or no? Are you with me?
यस सर. आई एम.
Yes. So drive type को भी uniquely we have to present yes or no. Agree?
यस सर.
So the same process. Look here. I'll keep on advance. Same process. मगर इसमें I'll select drive type. And here we go. I want to copy to unique and I want to copy where? Let's say over here. Okay, जहाँ भी है. Okay किया? I get the drive types. मैं इसको click करता हूँ. Control X and drive type आ गए. ठीक हो गया? Now this is single column. ठीक है, no problem. I'll just copy this file blank. I'll paste it here. और इसको हम इसको short करते हैं क्योंकि the question said over here was it has to be short and meaningful. So I can make it is D code. Fine. So let's save it. Let me save it. File, save as in the same location. And I will name it as D code. What's the D code? What was it? D drive tha. Okay, I'll see it afterwards. So here we go. And we will just save it. Right. You're with me, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. आप तो बात सुनो. Again वही बात हो गई कि by doing this, is this not one appearing once? Is it not a primary key? And is this not a foreign key? It is. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो इसका मतलब है वी हैव नॉर्मलाइज्ड इट. आप नोट करो, मैंने इसको भी डील कर लिया. आई हैव डेल्ट विद दिस, आई हैव डेल्ट विद दिस एंड आई हैव डेल्ट विद दिस. कलर को करने की जरूरत इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि कलर इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू द कार मच. मैं कलर क्या करूंगा? मैं कलर आईडी दूंगा. डजंट मेक सेंस. सो इट्स फाइन. ओके, ये कार्स की चीजें ये ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट थी और ये मैंने कर दिया है. नाउ लेट्स इंपोर्ट इट इनटू एक्सेस एंड सी व्हाट रिलेशनशिप कैन वी मेक. ओके, जो मेजर पार्ट था इस पे, इसके 45 मार्क्स वाज ओनली फॉर दिस. सो आई विल कम इनटू ब्लैंक. I will come into this and I will import one by one. I'll import decode. I choose it as a primary key. Oh, sorry, I didn't do this. Back. Delimited. First row contains field names. Primary key. Finish. Successfully imported. Come to the next one. I need to import is model name. Next. Choose model name as a primary key and finish. Then choose the other one. And 12 car and 21 car, sorry. First row contains field names. What do I have to take care of? The only thing I have to take care of, the price has to be, let's say, currency and myself, right? The rest is fine. And I can choose this registration number as a primary key. And we finish. And let me import the fourth one, which was N12 customer. In N12 customer, do I have any data type problem? No, I don't see. Telephone is always text. ये बस ख्याल रखना है. So I think so telephone is text over here, which is correct. You're with me, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, excellent. Next किया, primary key मैंने choose की customer. अच्छा, इसको भी short करेंगे. Customer ID कर देंगे because field name should be short. उन्होंने कहा था that is part of the normalization process. Okay, so इसमें I
Sir?
have to make sure that I'll make it is cust ID. Make it as short as possible but meaningful as well. ठीक हो गया. तो हमारे पास ये आ गए. मैं सारों को देख लेता हूँ. इसमें we have is registration number. Okay, I can make it as registration number, registration ID. Okay, registration. Yeah. It's fine. Registration number भी ठीक है. It's okay. That doesn't make a problem. ठीक हो गया. Fine. The major thing is I want to make a relationship. So अब हम आते हैं database में relationships पे. इसको हम देखते हैं. Where are we? So let me just put it here and let's see what have we established. So आप देख रहे होगे, पहला तो यह है कि we have over here model name and model name जो हमने establish किया था. This is one to many relationship. Create हो गया. इसके बाद decode था and remember decode हमने create किया था which was basically what? याद आया आपको? What was decode? Drive type code. याद आया? So decode को मैं करूंगा drive type code के साथ one to many again. फिर हमारा वो इधर है I have over here is what? Let's see. किसके साथ बन सकता है? Sold to. Remember इसमें इसके अंदर क्या था? This is what? This was the customer ID. Sold to was the customer ID. Remember? So customer
Yes,
ID,
sir.
customer ID and sold to ये बनेगा. ये आपका रिलेशनशिप बन गया. This is what we've done. अब इसके basically this is where you had 45 marks, a lot. I can stop the recording because I don't want it to be